Hey y'all, back with another date night meal for Valentine's Day. And what is Valentine's Day without a little Marry Me chicken? So let's get right into it. This is also going to be another budget-friendly meal. I got a pack of chicken from Trader Joe's for like $3, and most of the ingredients I'm using I already had in my kitchen, so this is easily under $20. So I'm using chicken thighs, and I seasoned them with seasoning salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some garlic herb seasoning. In a hot skillet with a little oil, I'm just going to sear them on both sides for about 5 minutes until they get nice and brown. And once they look like this, I'm just going to remove them and put them in a bowl to the side. In that same skillet, I'm going to add a little butter, minced garlic, and I also deglaze the pan with some chicken broth. Next, I'm going to stir in some heavy whipping cream, and I let it simmer on low to medium heat. I also added some red pepper flakes, and once it starts bubbling, I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese. And then lastly, I added in some sun-dried tomatoes. I love sun-dried tomatoes, so I kind of added a lot. And at this point, you can just season to taste. If you feel like you need to add anything else, just go ahead and do that. Now I'm adding my chicken back to that pan. I'm ladling some of that sauce over the chicken, and then I cover the pan with foil, put it in the oven on 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then I remove the foil, turn it up to 400, and let it go for another 10 minutes uncovered. Once it's done, I just sprinkle it with a little fresh basil, and there you have it, Marry Me chicken. I know a lot of people like to serve their Marry Me chicken with mashed potatoes, but I kind of prefer mine over rice, so that's what I did. Served it over just some plain white rice and some balsamic Brussels sprouts, and bon appetit.